Hello. So I've been doing a lot of consulting for small and medium-sized businesses in the last year, well over 200 and well over 300 now. And there seems to be a bit of a common pattern in how companies adopt technology and how they leverage technology as they mature. And this is based on Maslow's hierarchy of human needs, and I've sort of adjusted it for the technology hierarchy for CEOs and small business owners. And generally speaking, at the bottom here, everyone starts off their business usually with Office 365 or Microsoft products. They'll have some basic things in place like backups and some antivirus software and some other cloud-based technology. And then as they mature a little bit or they get a little bit bigger and busier, then they have some sort of operations software that's specific to their vertical to help them become more efficient in whatever their job, whatever their core business is, whether it's manufacturing or retail. And then another iteration of that is integrating sort of some best of breed software applications together. So your financial system, your manufacturing system, maybe it's retail, maybe it's wholesale. And they're getting a bit of success, and then they decide that they want to start growing the business. So now they get a marketing and sales platform in place, and trying to replicate or really figure out what marketing and sales methodology is repeatable and best for them to help them grow their business. And at the very pinnacle of the period is all the KPIs and the data analytics and the holistic reporting. And that's simply grabbing the data from wherever it's located and providing dashboards and KPIs to make better business decisions, to help the company become more efficient, and also to help them grow the top line, as well as decrease operational costs where possible to increase the profit. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this little infographic. It's sort of a process I've noticed that a lot of companies can go through. And when you get to this point, that's really where you're getting value around the data that your staff, like the company is creating. And not many companies get to this point. So if I was to ask you, who's your perfect client? If you can tell me all the top 10 characteristics of your perfect client, that would be great. And then how to go about finding those clients, reaching them, and converting them. So there's a whole process, and all the data around that needs to be tracked. And again, whether it's manufacturing, whether it's retail has their inventory turnover and other metrics they track. Anyways, reach out if you have any questions. I'm happy to provide my sort of help or thoughts if you have some particular question. Thank you.